It's always me and you. What the fuck? Why?
That's how it always ends up, isn't it? Just me and you, and everybody's like, fuck off. It's alright. Usually we end up doing things better together. We only fuck up, 100 times instead of 1,000 like usual.
And I'm one of those people that will. Hey, I haven't seen him online for a while. Hey, he just moved. Hey, if he lived downhill, I would be willing to help him. Hey, you get what I'm going for with the A thing
Yeah.
from the '80s.
Yep.
Hey,
Happy days.
was that the '90s?
Actually,
Was it the '80s or '90s?
well, if you're saying A from like what's the name did in Happy Days, that's what earlier than that.
So the '70s.
Yeah, I think so. 70s. I think yeah, it might be. Uh,
Oh, you fuck!
I think the guy's mad at me when I set the bounty on because I just took off in the jet and he immediately exploded me again. Oh, he just killed you. The same guy who just killed you is
Yep.
the one who killed me. Let's leave him alone. I'm driving a what do you call these things? The danger vans. Do not hop in this vehicle with the person driving it because I got candy.
This one doesn't have a checkbook. I found. No, that one does have a checkbook. That one does have a checkbook. Bam.
Oh, he ho! Where are you? I'll come find you. I'll pick you up in my creepy van.
I am actually right beside the Reno. Hell yeah.
Oh, I'm in the airport. So I came in here, got blown up. And
Okay,
I'm
I'll
trying to get
just
out
come to
since.
you. I'll come to you. I'll just pick you up.
I'm driving my stalker van. Why would I want to be picked up? I want to see if I can, entice you with some candy. Lady, sorry. Oh, can I do the stunt? That's the car. Never mind. Alright, this van is not very fast. I'm not going to do very good in this jump. But here I go. Whee! Oh, I literally did a spiral on my truck. Fan. Oh yeah, I need to call because get my car from.
Well, you have.
Just now leaving the airport in this piece of crap white van I'm driving.
Oh, hi. Who you all?
Oh, is that you in the scramjet?
Hi.
Hey. You want some candy? If you, here, get in the back. I got a big bag of candy in the back. Come on. Come on. You're mine.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Ow, that was not me. Sorry. Who are you shooting at? It's like nobody there. Oh shit, look, it's what's his name? He's in a jet. Oh, he has explosive rounds. That's why he blew us up easily. Whoa. Oh, sorry, Jacob.
Is this your personal van?
Nope, I just found it.
Onward vehicle.
Holy shit. I'm in such a slow vehicle for this.
He killed me.
You go to the boat.
This one actually can take a hit severely. He can take up to 39 fucking missiles. Now they fucked up. Oh, you not can't get in?
Oh,
These actually do need help.
Well, give me a second here. I'm getting my fucking Oppressor Mark II, and I'm just gonna go do a little love tap to the asshole who blew me up.
You know what? I'll do the same thing.
Because he's in the air. If he wants to be in the air, I'll be in the air.
So I don't fucking kill you on accident.
I mean, here we're freaking logging in on each other.
kill you?
No, not yet. I shot him once though. He's booking it though. He's trying to
I'm
leave
going
now.
after him. I'm right behind him.
Hi, dude. You're so lucky. Oh, you got me. Oh, you got me, you asshole.
Wait, how did I get you?
You shot me. It just said you blew me up. You gigantic ass. Well, at least you guys are still above my head fighting because I just watched parts explode.
Alright, I'm about to spawn in my fucking jet. This is pissing me off.
He is just literally going around town.
Ha!
I think you just got him. I just watched that on my map.
Nope, he killed him himself.
Oh, god damn it. I just got knocked out by Karen. Get in your car. You know, the funny thing is, I think because you armored vehicles.
I invited you to my MC, so it won't kill you on accident.
Oh, is that what it is? I think, okay, you invited me. I didn't accept it. I didn't know you did that.
Eco 1, Fox 2, fire.
Eagle 1, Fox. Oh, I hit the wrong button. Well, yeah. I'm thinking about doing more because, he flat out destroyed us a couple times. Or me, at least.
He only killed me once and accidentally killed you.
No. Dude, you're literally just swooping right down. But okay, wait. There's a dude below us trying to take us out, it looks like.
Oh shit. It's the guy.
Is it him again?
Yeah.
Is he really still trying to do shit to us? Can you please turn forward and look at me? Oh, he's actually shooting me. Fucker's actually shooting me. Did you get him?
Yep.
Fucker, I was
He got me and I got him.
I was actually just coming down to get
He
him.
shot at me.
Yeah, I know. I was like, oh, there's your oppressor. I see it right here.
Yeah, I put it so it wouldn't get hit by me and him killing each other. Oh look, another asshole through a quest.
Really? Oh, somewhere behind us. Or behind you. This guy's actually trying to go through the thing. Oh, I gotta start somehow now. I'm shooting right near him and he's not dying. I know this for a fact. I'm taking off out of here. Bye. Oh, he's in here. He is hiding in the freaking house, dude. Like in the area here. Wait, I just saw his name. There he is. Oh, it's Jerry the Germ. That's his name.
You want to help me fill up my bunker?
Sure.
Or do you need help doing your shit? I'm a bum.
Oh, well, you usually do mine. Let's go ahead and do yours for once. I'll play for lead away. This is my first time playing since, what, last weekend, I think? Remember the last time you recorded was?
Oh, then it was a week then. I knew it was last time me and you played together on this. That's all I can tell you.
Ah, then yeah, that's like a week ago. Because remember, we were recording, we're just BSing around, just did like, we're not gonna record. It was just BS. I literally just flipped my car. What is that?
This was my 8th. Oh, you want it?
Yeah. What the hell was that?
It was my hand sanitizer.
That what that was, man? It sounded like something else, buddy.
Uh-huh.
That's kind of a little creepy. You know what? I'll take my newer Formula 1 car I got. I haven't played around with this one much since I got it. Bum bum. All right. So do I need to meet you up at the?
I hope one's kicking my ass. Where you at?
I just left the casino, driving. Where you at?
Exiting the casino as we speak.
Okay.
Because I got 15,000 chips and I turned it in for money.
Well, you should have won better than me, dude. Seriously, I literally won. The fuck? Game over. Okay. I won a Fabergé egg.
What do you mean
Shit.
game over?
That's the character I'm out here with. This guy's literally driving a like a Mini Cooper, all decked out with spikes and a freaking like a his arena war vehicle, basically.
That thing. You know what? Since you're gonna drive,
Jerry the German's right behind us.
I couldn't help it. Sorry, if you're gonna pick on us and show up out of nowhere and say, "Hey, we're kosher now."
Yeah.
Oh, I'm
Did I do that?
yes.
I'm sorry. I thought I was waiting away from you. Are you calling in your
Mechanic.
your F1?
Yeah, why not?
Oh, I forgot. This thing doesn't have a horn. It's boost.
Hey,
I'm being shot at.
you asshole.
Fuck. I'm in the car. I can't shoot. Oh, it's a cop.
Okay, bitch.
Hands up, creep.
You didn't kill me.
Come on.
This no, I know I didn't kill you.
The Joey kid guy
It's
again.
over.
Oh, he got you. I thought cops got you.
It's not that. It's not that.
Oh, I just moved you. I didn't
Not
hit you.
that.
Oh,
Ow!
what the hell? Cop! What the hell? What the? I didn't do shit. I got started. Fuck off. I'm out of here. How many people? You fucking asshole. Oh, that did not good for me because that fucker got my way. Yeah, who's gonna say no? That's like cool. Not look. I am not doing good right now, dude. I am horrible. Somehow my driving just became shit. Like 10 seconds, done. Oh shit! I just ran a player over. Ah, that's fine. That's my bad.
Despawn. I will need the freaking flying coal. As you killing me slowly.
Sorry.
Excuse me, can you make room?
Yeah, sure. Hold on.
Damn it! I was gonna shoot gun. Put my gun out.
Yeah.
Mechanic.
Asshole.
Just run into my facility if you get cops on you.
Sure. What? My car
What's
top
up?
just exploded off for no reason. Like, look, just pop.
Dude, that thing's been gone for a little bit now.
No, it
on
just
my
now
end.
popped on my screen, dude. Watch the
No,
playback.
on my end, it was gone.
No. I just do it right now. Literally no. Oh, thought I couldn't kill you.
I just spawned in the vehicle, so if you damn it, I have to wait another couple minutes.
Sorry. I couldn't kill
It's
you.
okay.
Well, now I know. Even though I thought I couldn't kill you, I can kill you. Okay, I'm gonna exit your bunker and take my car to the repair shop and get it sprayed down.
Okay.
Cause I got your blood and brains all over my car. Skull remnants are on my tires and treads and stuff. Not a pretty look. He's gone, isn't he? I'm talking to myself. Great. Woo! Baby. Bum, 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 bum. Ah! Yeah.
Wait, what are you doing again?
I'm going to the paint shop to take care of my car.
Oh wait, I hope you know when we do this, you're not gonna be making a lot of money. You're just making a little bit of money,
Do you
just
really
not a lot.
think I'm earning some money?
Just tell me when you're not doing it anymore.
I just got these guys. Give me a second. And I'm out now. You go ahead.
Alright.
And I'm ready now. You can go ahead.
Conform. No, I'm conforming it now. Then I'm gonna spawn in the freaking Luxo that I tried to spawn in before I got my head blown off by a freaking 12-gauge shotgun.
So some supply.
That's straight through the woods to your bunker. Here I come. Yeah, I can do this. No, I can't do this. Nope, I'm not gonna do this. I can't do this.
Mechanic.
Oh, great. Oh.
I just see you stopping around and
Okay. I still can do this. Oh, I can't see shit. Where's the other? No, the funny thing is you're not gonna have a window now. There you go.
I don't care.
Hey, keep your hands at 10 and 2.
But
No putt.
fine.
Ooh, boy, that looks a little sketchy from my screen. Yep, that's definitely sketchy. Yep.
I remember when this was a glitch where you couldn't fly in hill. If you try to fly in hill, you instantly got stuck to the wall. I mean not wall, but ceiling.
Oof, I can't do first.
This vehicle
that.
first came out.
That just kills me. Well, I guess that that's probably why my camera broke. Why I can't record my videos of my face anymore. Is because my ugly face broke it.
Imagine the first person if I did something like that, just flip, not stop.
Okay, well I'm in first person. You want to try it again? Yeah. Ow. I did say try it again, not completely do it the wrong way.
You in position?
Oh, it's here, so I can get out now. Well, that makes no sense, because I'm carrying pipe bombs.
Oh crap!
Okay. What?
We are being followed. On top of that, shoot
Yeah.
the driver.
Oh, why did you do nobody? Whoa! The fuck?
Did I forget to?
What was that? Ow! What? 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 What is going on? Well, fuck did you?
The helicopters. Take out the helicopters.
Get me into, shithead. Fuck, I can't. I'm not even. I. But fuck.
Get
Man. Well, I would if I could actually fucking even see what the fuck I'm doing.
Shot the drivers.
I cannot stand up. As soon as I step, I blow up. Are you seriously kidding me? With this garbo. Motherfucker. Ow, 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 ow. Ay, god damn it. I mean, are they supposed to be this aggressive and just black my ass out like that?
Where you at?
Shooting a guy in the goddamn crotch.
Get in. I stole it.
God damn it. Oh, there's a dude in here. Yeah. Ow.
The vehicle we purchased still got stuck.
Ugh. asshole. Oh, dude, we got somebody with a bounty on us right now. Oh, fuck, it's a dude. What the fuck is he doing? He's by far the
Just
worst
get in the
punch.
vehicle. This thing has missiles on it.
I can't. This guy's right above me. Goddamn asshole. Come in. Nope!
Sorry. I guess that's payback of you killing me.
That was actually frightening. I literally just blinked my eye, looked at my wife, turned my head towards you, and saw a tire in my face. Let me the fuck in!
Okay.
Son of a
Get in
bitch!
the front passenger.
We can't move. Move, you stupid dingy. Get in there. Goddamn. Just get in. Go. Oh yeah.
Use
Yeah.
that cannon. Do not shoot point blank at the ground. It will kill us.
Point blank the truck.
Oh, he tries to blow us up. I shoot two missiles at us.
Are you
Fucking
trying to
dude.
blow us up?
The player.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Hey, but you think my brain hurts too, but that's because I'm listening to Jacob.
Hey, no. Jim, you're supposed to say if you. My brain will hurt too if it look like that. That's what you're supposed to say.
Oh!
It's an all-terrain vehicle. Don't worry.
Yeah, I know. Oh, you asshole. Cars.
Yeah,
I can't,
this is a.
I can't get him for
Hey, he left. Ah, I saw him there.
Gotcha.
You
Get
got
moving.
me?
Huh?
Asshole left.
Oh, he did?
Yep.
I mean, he did kind of try to, like, just, like, you know, take us out in the worst possible way. I mean, you were coming cause with a helicopter right towards you.
We have two players in front of us.
Whoa. One's in a bulldozer. I don't think they're coming after us.
Okay.
Oh, go. He is. Slow the players down. It's hard to tell who's actors and who's not.
I know, right? Jesus. Why do you think I said, hey, you want to do this?
Yeah.
Because I hardly ever able to do it by myself because if I play, I was alone.
Wow, you just glitched through that. That was weird. You know what? We did a good job.
Mm-hmm.
And on that
No
note,
one died.
and yep,
except
me like 1,000
Except-
times.
you died twice. I died
Dude,
twice.
watch the video. I get up, select the gun, and then boom. So on that note, guys, I am ending the episode here. That was a bunch of what the fucks and bullshit. So thank you guys for watching. I'm so sorry you can't see me right now. My camera did get destroyed in the move. As you guys saw the video last I had, I shared one video, but I gotta put some more up. So until then, guys, thank you for joining us.
Welcome to the family.
Yeah, no, motherfucker, that's my line. Welcome to the family.